Abrasive. Adjective. 1. An abrasive substance is rough and can be used to clean a surface or to make it smooth. Examples. Abrasive kitchen cleaners. Rub down with fine abrasive paper. The cleaner has a mildly abrasive action. 2. Of a person or their manner, rude and unkind, acting in a way that may hurt other people's feelings. Examples. An abrasive style, tone, comment. Throughout his career he was known for his abrasive manner. Word origin. Mid-19th century, as a noun, from Latin abris, abraded, from the verb abradere, to scrape, plus ive.